Hey there, YouTube. My name is Nick Svaikauskas. I'm the owner at Calgary Custom Concepts. I want to show you today some super cool software that I use, that I've been using for my estimates, my invoicing, everything that has to do with my carpentry business. Um, this is really awesome, and there isn't much content on YouTube about it, so I just wanted to go through. I'm working on a quote right now, so I'm going to go through here and show you exactly what this software is and what it does. It's called Cost Certified, giving you an unprecedented view here into my pricing. So don't tell my customers, but in here, what we have is a library of all of these different items that I've built. So here I built the super cool whiskey display cabinet. The whole estimate, all of my information, I saved it into an item in my library. So when I build a quote, I can go in here and I can pick whatever assembly. If it's something I've done in the past, or floating shelves, I have a price per square foot built in. Or I can go actually into their it's called Cost Certified. They just changed their name to Bolster, so I'm going to use Bolster to avoid confusion because I think you can find it like that on Google. Um, they have stuff for an entire custom home, a two-piece bathroom, and then I can look up and we do finished carpentry. So if I want to do wainscoting, let's see if they spelled it Canadian way or American way. What do we got? We got wainscot cap. But yeah, they got trims built in here. um, knotty pine wainscoting, 3.5 inches wide. So they have the materials and everything. Usually I've been building my own assemblies. So this job is fireplace and installation. So I go in here and I pick construction stage. I'll show you where this comes in later, right? So fireplace, this one's actually going to be demolition. I put in a description here. Um, Fireplace build out. I have an option to upgrade if they want a crown molding bulkhead. You can see that's here. And then I've added these pictures, just the electric fireplace. So this is sort of my process. I go through, I build out each of these items. If I want, I can group them together into assemblies, but this is simple enough. This is the preview of what the customer is going to see. So I've got my company information. This is a photo they send me of their existing living room, so their quote's personalized. And now they can see here, okay, fireplace framing and installation. There's some framing, there's the fireplace. This is the option for crown molding, so they can click upgrade here. And a lot of people, it's like Amazon, like they like having options where they can click a button and upgrade and buy stuff. Customized floating shelving. So here's a sample of the floating shelvings we do. Cabinetry, countertops, demolition, faux stone. And here, oh, see, now I caught this. Electrical is priced per square foot. I don't want that. I want each. So that's the price. There we can grab demolition and drag it down to the bottom because that's more boring for them to look at. I think in faux stone, I was looking here. Where did I have it open? No, I don't want to show you this. Let's find a better picture of stone ledge veneer. Let's see. Yeah, like a nice stacked ledge stone. Thanks, Wayfair. I'm going to steal your picture. Save it to that client folder. I'm going to upload it here. So this Bolster is a company. They're actually local here to Calgary, where I am. Um, and they sold me when they said our CEO is obsessed with Steve Jobs, and he tries to make the software, you know, easily navigable and just super simple. Um, and it's still been a learning curve, but the more I get into it, I attached a welcome letter here. Sorry, the more I get into it, the better it goes. Okay, so here that picture didn't work, probably because it's a web P. So let's fix that. Trusty paint.net, my favorite editing software because it's so simple. Okay, where was that? Faux stone. So I can delete this one, upload the JPEG. I think that's going to be better. Everything saves automatically most of the time. It's really nice. Okay, that looks better. So now our electrical is just included. And now here I can actually toggle presentation settings, show itemized pricing. So now, let me just save that. So now they can see how much they're paying for each thing. The fireplace, customized floating shelving, built-in cabinetry, faux stone, electrical, demolition of existing fireplace. So because we like to be transparent with our pricing, I'm going to leave it at that. And what's really nice here is since each item has, let's look here at electrical, materials estimate, labor estimate, and materials estimate, and then multiplied by my markup. Oh, this is actually off. Our calculated markup to cover all of our overhead and expenses is 1.95. So it's just going to actually estimate for me what the labor costs and the material costs were. So these are combined costs times our markup, and then it gives me the budgeted profit. Obviously, all of my overhead has to come out of this. My overhead, I happen to know, is $715 per day. So if this project takes less than 2 weeks, right? If we can do this in 2 weeks, then we're going to be profitable. Total 19,611. So I'm happy with how this looks. So I can send this. I'm just going to save again there. And this is just, I just wanted to show you Bolster, also known, can be found as cost certified. Awesome estimating software for contractors. They have home builders who do it. I'm a smaller carpentry outfit right now. And I'm going to send this off to the client. And then I'm going to give her a call, follow up, make sure that she's received it. And I hope this is helpful to you. I've contacted them to see if I can get you like a referral link. I'll put that in the description. So thanks for watching.